Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with a simple daily brightness routine that begins every morning and evening. Cleanse twice daily with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Apply a vitamin C serum in the morning to boost radiance and protect skin. Use sunscreen SPF 30 every morning to prevent dark spots and damage. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times weekly using a mild chemical exfoliant like 4% glycolic for smoother texture. Finish with a lightweight moisturizer to lock in hydration and glow. Incorporate targeted treatments to speed brightness and reduce pigmentation. Apply 10% vitamin C serum each morning for antioxidant protection and improved tone. Use 0.5% retinol 3 nights weekly to stimulate cell turnover safely and reduce dullness. Introduce a 2% kojic acid cream for spot treating stubborn dark areas at night. Always patch test new actives on a small skin area before full use. Stop if severe irritation occurs and consult a dermatologist. Support topical care with lifestyle changes for lasting brightness results. Drink 2 liters of water daily to support skin hydration and clarity. Eat colorful fruits and vegetables for vitamins A, C, and E benefits for skin tone. Limit sugar and processed foods that can worsen inflammation and dullness. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly to aid skin repair and brightness. Reduce stress with 10 minutes of daily breathing exercises to prevent hormonal breakouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.